Getting started with artificial intelligence might sound overwhelming, but the truth is, there are tools that make it super easy, even if you're new to AI. Let's explore 10 beginner-friendly AI tools that can help you learn, create, and explore. First up is ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT is like having a personal assistant that can answer questions, write essays, or even help brainstorm ideas. For example, you can ask it to write a professional email or explain complex topics in simple language. Next we have DALL-E, also by OpenAI. This tool creates stunning images based on text prompts. Want to see what a robot painting in space looks like? DALL-E can make it happen in seconds. Tool number 3 is Grammarly. If you want perfect grammar and clear writing, Grammarly's AI helps you edit and improve your text. It's great for emails, essays, or any writing task. For design, there's Canva. Canva's AI-powered tools help you create stunning presentations, social media posts, and even videos. It's perfect for non-designers who want professional-looking results. Ever wanted to translate a conversation instantly? Google Translate uses AI to translate text, voice, or even scanned images into over 100 languages. The Hemingway app is a tool for making your writing clear and concise. It highlights complex sentences and suggests simpler alternatives, great for making your content easy to understand. Want to create videos without being on camera? Synthesia lets you use AI avatars to generate professional videos. You just type a script and the AI does the rest. Next is Jasper AI, an AI writing assistant that helps you craft blog posts, ads, and even product descriptions. It's a time saver for creators and marketers. Learning a new language? Duolingo uses AI to create personalized lessons and quizzes, making language learning fun and engaging. Finally, there's Runway ML. This tool helps you edit videos with AI, allowing you to remove backgrounds, add effects, and even generate videos from text descriptions. With these tools, AI is more accessible than ever. Whether you're writing, designing, or learning, there's an AI tool to help. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights from Smart Spark.